Could you please? Would you like? Shall I help? Learn polite requests and offers in English today. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. In English, politeness is very important. Requests and offers are part of everyday life. Let's start with making requests. Section 1. Making requests. A request is when you ask someone to do something. Can you? Informal and common. Could you? More polite. Would you mind? Very polite. Use it at work or with strangers. Could you please pass the salt? Would you mind opening the window? Can you help me with this? Important, always add please to sound polite. Could you repeat that, please? Much better than just repeat. Practice. Make a polite request to someone near you right now. Section 2. Making offers. An offer is when you suggest something you will do. Shall I? British English. Very common. Would you like me to? Polite offer. Can I help you? Simple and friendly. Do you want me to? Casual. Let me. Direct and helpful. Examples. Shall I carry that for you? Would you like me to call a taxi? Let me get you a coffee. These phrases make you sound kind and helpful in English. Section 3. Accepting and declining. When someone makes an offer, you respond. Accepting. Yes, please. That would be great. Thank you. That's very kind. I'd love that. Thank you. Declining politely. No, thank you. I'm fine. That's very kind, but I'm okay. Don't worry, I can manage. Always say thank you when declining. It shows you are polite even when saying no. Recap. Requests. Could you? Would you mind? Plus please. Offers. Shall I? Would you like me to? Let me. Accepting. Yes, please. Declining. No, thank you. I'm fine. Your challenge. Write one request and one offer in the comments. Make them as polite as possible. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.